Hi, I'm Fatia. Have you ever heard about Internet of Things and smart home? Have you ever wondered how the electronic devices could communicate to each other or connect it to your smartphone so it can be controlled easily? So these smart devices usually connected through the communication system that regulated by a communication protocol. In this video, I would like to talk about one of the wireless communication protocol which commonly used in smart home or IoT devices, ZigBee. Let's take a look on the topics that we're going to cover here. So we are going to talk about the overview of ZigBee itself, the range of ZigBee, how it's used, and the advantage of ZigBee over other wireless protocol. ZigBee, come from the waggle dance of honeybee, is a communication protocol suitable for creating personal area network within devices with a small, low-power digital radio. The development of ZigBee targeted to give a simpler and cheaper wireless personal area network, such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The device transmits the data through mesh networking from intermediate devices to the more distant one. The chips generally integrated with radios and microcontroller and built on the physical layer and media access control defined in IEEE standard H02.15.4 as low-rate wireless personal area network. So how does it communicate to each other? The common ZigBee module has the physical range from 10 to 20 meters, but the transmission could reach up to 100 meters depending on power output and environmental characteristics. ZigBee basically has three types of devices in configuring the network: ZigBee coordinator, ZigBee router, and ZigBee devices. And here is the sample of ZigBee network. The coordinators forms the root of the network tree and bridge the other network. In one ZigBee network, it just needs precisely one ZigBee coordinator, or without it, like in ZigBee Lightning. The ZigBee router acts as an intermediate to pass the data from other devices, as the ZigBee end devices talk to the parent node. The focus on ZigBee is to distribute works among many different devices which reside within individual ZigBee nodes. As stated on the ZigBee Alliance website, ZigBee is widely used in many appliances including smart home system, connected lighting, utility industry, as well as retail service. ZigBee operates in the industrial, scientific, and medical radio bands, making it used in the variety of fields including embedded sensing, medical data collection, and smoke and intruder warning. The ZigBee Alliance is still in the process of developing more ZigBee applications, such as ZigBee Smart Energy 2.0, Lightning 1.1, and Home Automation 1.3. What makes ZigBee is better than other communication protocol is basically because ZigBee is simpler and cheaper, as I mentioned before. It is also require less bandwidth and less power, so the battery of ZigBee can operate up to 1 year for a single use. On the other side, Wi-Fi might be appropriate to deliver the content like streaming video and audio, but it is more expensive than ZigBee and it takes more power. The Bluetooth is good for the point-to-point communication, but it is not scalable enough for a larger network as in smart home devices and our IoT application. Where Z-Wave is more likely to compete with ZigBee in terms of home automation, but Z-Wave is not an open standard and it's used different frequency bands in different parts of the world. Z-Wave is a property of US-based Sigma Design, and the Alliance member of it also the customer of Sigma Design. In conclusion, ZigBee is a wireless communication protocol that's suitable for a wide variety of IoT applications with a small, low battery consumption and cheap module to create the communication of your devices. And that's all for me. Here's the reference that I use. Thank you.